Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable shorts video from your YouTube. If you wanna disable short videos from your YouTube, for example, it's wasting your time, here is how to do it. Open YouTube first like this, and once you open it, guys, you will find here the home page. What you can do right now, you click here on your profile and click on the settings. So here in settings you will find this list. Go to time management, and right now what you have to do, go to this option, daily limits, shorts feed limits. Click here on turn on and click 0 minute, and right now you should back. And what we have to do right now, let's open YouTube again, and after that we will go to shorts. Just I will show you guys how that's gonna work. Click on it and try to scroll, and it's showing you this, you reached your shorts feed limit. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe.